Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to block users on Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Google Drive application. After that, you just need to go and log in to your profile or register if you already do not have a Google Drive account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically, as you can see, we have the home screen, the start, shared, and your files. And in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, recent, offline, spam, and bin. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block users on Google Drive. It is practically pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, you need to, of course, open the Drive application. And at the top right of a file, tap on Menu. Then when you're in the Menu tab, of course, then you just need to go, guys, and type in the menu, tap Block, Email, and in the window, you just need to go and tap on the block button to actually go and block the person. So as you can see, it is pretty simple. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already said, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.